Hello students, today I am going to teach you moral science subject। और मैंने कल आपको जो वीडियो दी थी उसमें मैंने रीडिंग बताई थी यूनिट नंबर 1 अ प्रेयर। और थोड़ा लेसन इसका हैगा, रिमाइंडर लेसन हैगा। तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, आपको आगे ही चला रही हूँ, आगे से करती हूँ। कल जहाँ से मैंने ले छोड़ा था वहाँ से स्टार्ट करती हूँ। नंबर 1 है यूनिट नंबर 1 अ प्रेयर। विकास सेड, बट फादर, if we don't ask God, how will He give us what we need? How will He know what we want? W-N-T, want. K-N-O-W, know. How will He know? K-N-O-W, know what we want. Father said, when, W-H-E-N, when you were, W-E-R-E, were a baby, because you could not speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, C-O-U-L-D, could, N-O-T, not speak. You could not ask, A-S-K, ask for, A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G, anything, yet mommy gave, G-A-V-E, gave, G-A-V-E, gave you all you wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted, all you, N-E-E-D, needed, all you needed. How did she know? How did she know? In the same way, in the same way, God knows. After all, He made the world. Okay, God knows. After all, He made the world. He made you. He knows what you want. You don't have to ask Him. He made you. He knows what you want. You don't have to ask Him. Vikas said, can you tell me how to pray, Daddy? Can you tell me how to pray, Daddy? Father said, it's easy. Pray with a pure, P-U-R-E, pure, and grateful, G-R-A-T-E, grat, F-U-L, full, grateful, H-E-A-R-T, heart. Father said, it's easy. Pray with a pure and grateful heart. देखिए, अब हम लेसन नंबर यूनिट 2 पर आते हैं। मैंने यहाँ से पूरा लेसन हो गया है। आपको मैं रीडिंग सिखा रही हूँ, कैसा रीडिंग करना है। कि यू डोंट नो हाउ इज द, कैसा है, हाउ रीड द रीडिंग, कैसा पढ़ना चाहिए, रीडिंग कैसे करना चाहिए, नो यू डोंट नो। सो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मैं आपको ये वीडियो दे रही हूँ कि इसमें वीडियो में मैं रीडिंग बताती हूँ, स्लोली रीड करती हूँ। आपको भी मेरे साथ रीड करना है। अब आते हैं, अब हम यूनिट 2 पर आते हैं। यहाँ है द गुरु is like God. The Guru is like God. S-I-N-T, Saint, K-A-B-I-R, Kabir. Saint Kabir. H-A-S has, S-A-I-D, said that the G-U-R-U, Guru, is next to God. Saint Kabir has said that the Guru is next to God. This is B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. This is because the Guru, S-H-O-W-S, shows, Y-O-U, shows you the way, W-A-Y, way to God. This is because the Guru shows you the way to God. The Guru also, also, SHOWS, shows you, HOW, how to lead your life. He teaches you many, 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 THINGS, things. ABOUT, about, LIFE, life, and the WORLD, world. He teaches you many things about life and the world. Your parents teach you many things. Your parents teach you many things. The Guru comes next only to them. Your parents teach you many things. The Guru comes next only to them. He gives KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. After you have gained knowledge, you feel FEEL, feel, SCLF, self, CON, confident, confident. He gives knowledge. After you have gained knowledge, you feel self-confident. You can tell the DIFFERENCE difference. You can tell the difference between BETWEN, between truth, 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 and falsehood. You can tell the difference between BETWEN, between truth, and TRUTH, truth, and FALSE, false, HOWADD, hood, falsehood. Between virtue and vice. Between good and bad. Knowledge can never be measured. Knowledge can never be measured. In fact, there is nothing. There is nothing in this world, 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 that is EQUAL, equal to KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. Knowledge can never be measured. In fact, there is nothing in this world that is equal to knowledge. Your Guru leads you towards TOWARDS, towards GAINING, gaining knowledge. Towards gaining knowledge. He can mold the person into a great personality, personality. Your Guru leads you towards gaining knowledge. He can mold the person into a great personality. Your Guru leads you towards gaining knowledge. He can mold the person into a great personality. A leader a saint और महात्मा, LEADER leader, SINT saint a leader, a saint और MAHTMA महात्मा. That is why we must respect our gurus. That is why we must respect, RESPECT, respect our gurus. Guru, VIRAJANAND, Virjanand. Guru Virjanand helped, HELPD helped, SWAMI Swami, DAYAN DAYANAND, क्या है, DAYANAND दयानंद, who became a great social, SOCIAL, social reformer, REFORMER, reformer. That is why we must respect our gurus. Guru Virjanand helped Swami Dayanand, who became a great social reformer. Narendra, NARENDRA, Narendra would never have become Swami Vivekananda. VIVAKANANDA Vivekananda if Shri RAMAKRISHNA Ramakrishna Paramhansa PARAMAHANSA Paramhansa had not shown him, and Narendra would never have become Swami Vivekananda if Shri Ramakrishna Paramhansa had not shown him the way. The great, 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 PHILOSOPHER, क्या है, philosopher, the great philosopher Plato, PLATO, Plato was the DISCIPLE disciple of Socrates, SOCRATES, Socrates. The great philosopher Plato was the disciple of Socrates. It was Guru RAMDAS Das, Guru Ramdas, WHOMAD MAD, SHIVAJI Shivaji, the GREATEST, greatest. It was Guru Ramdas who made Shivaji the greatest. Maratha leader, MARATHA, Maratha, LEADER, Maratha leader. It was Guru Ramdas who made Shivaji the greatest Maratha leader. You may like to know that even after BABU Babu. You may like to know that even after Babu, RAJENDRA, Rajendra, PRASD, Prasad. Rajendra Prasad had HD had BECOME become the PRESIDENT President of INDIA India. You may like to know that even after Babu, Rajendra Prasad had become the President of India. He always touched his guru's feet with humility, humility, and gratitude, gratitude. He always touched his guru's feet with humility and gratitude. Always try to get the blessings of your guru. Always try to get the blessings of your guru. You can get this if you behave, you behave with respect. humility, humility and love towards him. You can get this if you behave, behave with respect, humility and love towards him. Now we read the activity. Number A activity में A है blanks है fill in the BLANKS blanks by TAKING taking SUITABLE suitable WRDS words FROM from the LESSON lesson. A fill in the blanks by taking suitable words from the lesson. Number 1. The GURU Guru shows the way. रास्ता है way, way है to God. The Guru shows the way to God. Number 2. After gaining knowledge, you can tell the difference between truth and falsehood, between virtue and vice, between good and bad. Number 3. Knowledge can never be measured. Knowledge can never be measured. MESURED, measured. Number 3. Knowledge can never be measured. Number 4. ALWAYS, always. TRY, try. Always try. TO2 GET, get. Always try to get the BLESSINGS blessings of YOUR your GURU Guru. Number 4. Always, ये क्या बनता है? Always ALWAYS, always try to get the blessings of your Guru. Number 5. You should, SHOULD, शुड नहीं बोलना है हमें, एल साइलेंट है तो यहाँ पर बोलना है यू शुड behave, BEHAVE, behave with respect, 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 HUMILITY, humility, and LOVE, love, TOWARDS, towards, YOUR your GURU Guru. Number 5. You should behave with respect, humility, and love, TOWARDS, towards your Guru. तो हमें इस तरह लर्न करना है, इस तरह रीडिंग करना सीखना है. Once again, number 1. The Guru shows the way to God. Number 2, after gaining knowledge, you can tell the difference between truth and falsehood, between virtue and vice, between good and bad. Number 3, knowledge can never be measured. Number 4, always try to get the blessings of your Guru. Number 5, you should behave with respect, humility and love towards your Guru. Yes, जैसे मैंने रीडिंग ऐसा सिखा रही हूँ मैं आपको, रीडिंग बहुत ही मस्ट भी इम्पोर्टेंट, इस रीडिंग हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो क्या है, हमें अच्छी तरह से अभी जो वीडियो के थ्रू पढ़ाया जा रहा है तो हमें और भी अच्छा है। आप जो मोबाइल लेकर बैठिए और